Hello and welcome to WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com. Today we have got the 2-berth, 2 belts Bailey Approach SE 625. This motorhome is approximately 6.61 metres in length. As you can see from the side, it has the Fiamma zip awning. On the rear we have a twin bike rack and tow bar. Bear in mind this will increase the length of the motorhome. Reversing camera. The width of this motorhome is 2.42 metres. It is wider than the average motorhome, but you benefit from the extra width inside. On the top you can also see the solar panel and TV awning, TV aerial. It is built on the Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI engine with 130 brake horsepower. And there we are, you can see the 2013 63 plates. Comes in a weight of 3.5 tonne with a 561 kilogram payload. Nice LED awning light on the outside. Starting with the cab itself, as I said, it is a Peugeot Boxer. Comes with steering wheel controls, cruise control, electric mirrors, electric windows, cab air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, reversing camera, cab blinds, driver and passenger airbag, pretty much everything you need in the cab of a motorhome. Above the cab are some nice storage cupboards. Behind the driver is the storage for the rear table. In the centre on one side we have the Dometic fridge with 117 litre of storage, sink, 4-hob burner, oven grill, storage and microwave just above. Now in the rear itself, this motorhome also does come with a full safari room, as well as the added extra of the cushions, which you can take the drawers out of the rear, make it a full U-shaped rear lounge. I do believe this was an extra from new. Wardrobe and storage on the left. Storage cupboards all the way around the rear lounge area itself. If we just zoom back, you can appreciate the length and size of this motorhome. Like I said, it is very wide in the body itself. Opposite to the kitchen, to finish off, we have the bathroom with cassette toilet, sink, mirror, storage and shower. Fresh and wastewater tanks, both at 100 litres, which is a nice size for 2 people. It comes with the extras, as I mentioned earlier: reversing camera, awning, tow bar, solar panel, TV aerial, bike rack, the lounge cushions, safari room, awning, air conditioning, cruise and cab blinds. If you have any more questions on this motorhome, or if you've got a motorhome to sell, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237 or by visiting WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com.